Hi everybody! This week we're learning about bears and bear hunts. The word we're going to learn today is camouflage. That is a very long word. Camouflage means to blend in with what's behind you. That's our second word, is blend. Not like when you blend something in your mixer, your blender. It's when you match something. So camouflage is what we're going to start talking about. Bears come in all different colors, right? We've already talked about that a little bit. What we want to do is see how bears use camouflage to hide. If I was a polar bear, what do you think I might hide in or on? Polar bears live where there's lots of ice and snow. So if I was trying to figure out which color was the best camouflage for me, which one do you think I should land on? Oh, the white one? You're right. When that polar bear lands on the white, we can't hardly even see him. Okay, how about this bear? I'll give you a hint, he's called a black bear. So what color do you think he might best use for camouflage to hide in front of? The brown? Maybe. How about the gray? Nah. How about the black? He does hide real well there, doesn't he? You guys got this. Okay. This bear is called a grizzly bear. What color is he, do you think? Did you say brown? That's right. Do you think we can hide him where the polar bears like to hide? Or in the middle of the lake? No? He almost hides on the black, doesn't he? But he hides even better on the brown. Now I'm going to throw a tricky one at you. This bear is actually called a gray bear. But do you see how in some places he's dark and some places he's lighter? What color do you think he would best use for camouflage? The brown? Maybe. You're right, the top of him looks pretty good on that white. He could almost hide in the gray. Boy, I don't know. I'm glad I'm not him. I'd probably put him on the black, but I don't know. Good game. We're going to do something else now. Do you know the song Going on a Bear Hunt? You do? Well, we're going to go on a bear hunt. As soon as Miss Nancy fixes it. As soon as I push the right button.
Hey everybody, we're going on a bear hunt.
Okay,
Are
so
you afraid?
You do whatever I do.
I'm not afraid.
Can you slap your legs or slap your tummy?
We're going on a bear hunt.
We're going on a bear hunt.
Take pictures with my camera.
Take pictures with my camera.
Open up the door, squeak.
Open up the door, squeak.
Walk down the road.
Walk down the road.
Coming to a wheat field.
Coming to a wheat field.
Can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
Can't go over it.
Can't go over it.
Have to walk through it.
Have to walk through it. Whoosh, whoosh. Move it out of the way. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Keep moving it. Whoosh, whoosh.
Got through the wheat field.
Got through the wheat field.
Coming to a bridge.
Coming to a bridge.
Can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
Have to walk over it.
Have to walk over it. Can you do that with your tongue?
Got over the bridge.
Got over the bridge.
Coming to a tree.
Coming to a tree.
Can't go under under it.
Can't go under it.
Guess we'll have to climb it.
Guess we'll have to climb it.
Climb to the top.
Climb to the top.
Do you see a bear?
Do you see a bear?
No.
No.
Let's climb down.
Let's climb down.
Coming to a river.
Coming to a river.
Can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
Can't fly over it.
Can't fly over it.
Let's get in the boat.
Let's get in the boat. Take your oars and row the boat. Keep walking.
Across the river.
Got across the river.
Coming to a cave.
Coming to a cave.
Can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
Can't go over it.
Can't go over it.
Tiptoe inside.
Tiptoe inside.
It's dark in.
Make your eyes tiny. Dark in here.
Is anyone around?
Is anyone around?
I see two eyes.
I see two
A
eyes
big furry body.
and a big furry body.
Let's take a picture.
Let's take up a picture.
Run!
Click.
It's a bear!
Run! Run!
Back to the
Run!
river.
Row your boat!
Row the boat across. Run to the tree. Climb up. Climb down. Run to the bridge. Cross it. Run through the wheat field. Run down the road. Open up the door, squeak, and close it.
We made it.
Hey, everybody. Let's go on a bear hunt. Are you
No,
afraid?
I'm not afraid. Thanks, everybody. Come back next time.